Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services, your local professional carpet cleaning company. Today I want to share with you a project that we recently worked. It's a water damage situation for a homeowner. She had a water leak. We came in and helped her with the mitigation and drying part. And that's another service that we offer, and I want to share with you how we do things and how different our company is. We're not one of those companies that go out and just cut all the drywall, pull all the flooring because it's the way that you make really good money. That's not what we do. In this case, what we did is that we went in the home, we talked to the homeowner, understand how it happened. It was clean water, which means we can save a lot of structure. Then we use our moisture meters, our thermal camera to find all the damage. The vinyl flooring was compromised. It had to come out. Also, the laminate flooring was compromised as well, which means it was wet, it was buckling up. There's no way to drying that. We had to pull that out. In this case, we were working directly for the insurance company and the homeowner. We handle all the conversation and all the headaches. We had to pull some drywall out. We made holes on the walls to blow air in the cavities and dry the drywall in place. There's no need to cut that drywall, and that's what we did. We didn't cut anything. I mean, a little. We made some holes to be able to blow air in the cavities, but that's what we do beside carpet cleaning and rug cleaning. If you have an emergency water extraction that you need help and you don't want to have someone just coming in and destroy the whole house, we can offer you that. We work 24 hours extracting water, doing emergency, and also we will dry everything in place when it's possible, especially when we're dealing with clean water. If you need any help or you have any comment, please leave a comment on this video. And if you need help, give us a call. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you. Bye.